To measure something in an image, start by opening the image. Once the image is open, you simply select the ruler tool. You can use the automatic calibration that is applied based on the sensor used to capture the image. But if you wanted a more accurate approximation, you can also choose Calibrate to create your own calibration using a known object, such as an endo file. In this example, let's go ahead and select Calibrate, and you'll see we get this pop-up asking us to specify how big the object is that we're using to calibrate. I'm going to pretend that we're using a 10mm endo file, so I'll just enter 10 and select Done. Once I close the window, you'll see we now have a line on our screen. You would align the measurement line with the length of the file. The measurement is taken from one end of the line to the other. After aligning the measurement, click Calibrate and confirm the dialog that pops up. Any measurements taken afterward will be calibrated based on that reference. Now let's select the ruler tool and use it to measure the width of a molar. You'll notice, once we click Ruler, you're going to get a pop-up that tells you that the measurement tool is intended only to provide an approximate distance, and that all values should be treated as estimations only. We're going to select OK to move forward. Now, with our ruler tool, we're going to place the ends of the line where we're wanting to measure, and you'll notice that as we do, the measurement is automatically changing. Let's go ahead and move that measurement down by the line. You can always reposition the measurement value so it doesn't block anatomy, but you'll want to do this before you save the annotation. We can also hide the annotation layer at any time by using the Hide button. Selecting it again will unhide the annotation. If you would like to save the measurement, once you have everything the way you want, click Save to lock the annotation to the image. This makes it easy to take measurements and manage them directly within your images.